Addiction can have a devastating effect on many aspects of life. It disrupts relationships, takes away from productive activities, and causes people to neglect their well-being. Individuals who struggle with addiction may find themselves in a harrowing cycle of substance abuse, seeking out more drugs and alcohol, and neglecting their physical and mental health. Healthcare professionals use an addiction treatment plan to help patients with their journey to taking their lives back. This plan is tailored to the individual's needs and can involve a variety of therapies, medications, lifestyle changes, and other forms of support. Depending on the severity and type of addiction, treatment plans can include inpatient or outpatient care, residential programs, and aftercare. You would typically use an addiction treatment plan when monitoring a patient's progress over time, developing aftercare plans, assessing if interventions are effective, and to set achievable goals. People who can use our addiction treatment plan are therapists, counselors, social workers, psychologists, addiction specialists, and other medical professionals. Download our free PDF on our Carepatron platform and fill out your patient's details at the top. Firstly, note the presenting problems. For example, in our sample worksheet, our client has a cocaine addiction and has trouble maintaining sobriety. Write a diagnosis, the patient's medical history, and their response to the medication. Next, discuss with your patient goals and outcomes that they would like to achieve and note them down in the goals and outcomes section. Next, write down the interventions your patient will take to achieve their goals. This could be detoxing, counseling, and creating a relapse prevention plan. Write down a timeline on how these interventions will be implemented throughout the following weeks. Lastly, fill out the progress notes and progress report to keep track of the patient's progression with their treatment plan. Fill out the aftercare plans for if the treatment plan is successful. Here is an example of an addiction treatment plan which you can find on our Carepatron platform by clicking on the link in the description. To find our addiction treatment plan, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keyword to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.